Okay, so this one is in Taipa. I'm just going to show you some of the stores. There's a bunch of stores all here. This one is kind of cool right here. Over there is Taipa Village. There's some casinos that you can't really see from this spot, but they're over that direction. And what I want to do here is focus in on these cool looking caged apartments. This apartment. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Apartments. This apartment, we're gonna zoom in a little bit and try to catch some of the detail. And as you can see, they're kind of interesting because they're not really things you can walk out on. They basically put things there and they kind of use it for storage or for other some plants. That's definitely another thing. Usually you see clothes hanging. You see what else you see going up there. And we're just going to try to capture kind of an interesting shot of that. So, okay. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Try to frame it so it's kind of interesting. Interesting, right? Then we're going to zoom out in a minute. It's all the way up there. So now we're going to kind of capture some of the other stuff around here. So I'm going to zoom in some of these other apartments. So this one kind of has more of a balcony to it. And we're going to zoom out, get a sense for this, and then right over here is a, I'll try to go slow so the camera doesn't go too fast. But this is a big garden and they have like things like turtles and playground and skating for kids and stuff like that. Little pagodas to hang out in. And I'm going to go to this apartment and we're just going to zoom in on this one because this is pretty high up there as you can see. And you can see these little things like this. What is that? Looks like a glass, like you can walk. I don't know what that is, but somehow it connects to two buildings. It looks like a glass thing. And there's another one up here. Let's see what that one is. So I live here in Macau, but I never really noticed these ones. So I don't know if you can walk across that, what that is, or if it's just, maybe it's some kind of special escape route if there's a fire. I don't really know. What are these little things? If I hold the camera, stay on it a little bit, it'll zoom in and focus. Air conditioner, maybe? Okay. Got a few of those ones kind of jutting out like that. And you got lots of other buildings too, kind of typical trees right here. A lot of detail if you look at it. You take the camera around and kind of look at stuff for a little bit. And just kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see these styles too. Actually pretty typical. Cages like that. Pull down the bars. Actually this isn't too bad for like typhoons and things like that. This one too. And this balcony doesn't have the guards like that, but you can actually sit outside and there's an inside window, so probably all of them are set up that way, but they're just they do different things on them that looks like it's, this one goes all the way out, so I guess they use that balcony space in a different way. So yeah, each one has its own little thing, right? Okay, so we're going to zoom back out. And this is basically this little type of area, and we're just going to zoom in a little bit and so you can see what's going on street level. People can be hanging out over there on their phones with their masks. Looks like a healthcare worker. Another person sitting in front of his business on his mask, on his typing. Yeah, three of them right there. See, this guy's walking over here with his phone and his mask. Phone and mask. Phone and mask. Any more phone and mask? Just mask. So that's the kind of street level. This guy's probably on his phone. Let me see. Looks like he's on his phone too. Let's see, got some more. Let's see, what else we see. Is he on his phone? Yep, this guy's on his phone too. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in. We're gonna zoom in one more time on this corner, and then we're gonna end it right there. And here we go. Dun, 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 dun. A little bit of action here. What's going on here? Yeah. All right. So y'all have a good evening. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what kind of stuff you want to see. This guy's doing what I'm doing, filming a little bit on this camera. And more people in the height of the coronavirus, mask and social isolation, sort of. Oh, one more thing I gotta film. Sometimes people just hang out here, so. Or here.